If you don't like crowds but still want to see Paris, then these 5 spots are perfect for you. Okay, let's get started. First up, the Eiffel Tower. This iconic landmark isn't just for photos. The view from the top is absolutely breathtaking. Pro tip: visit early to beat the crowds. Next, let's wander over to the Louvre Museum. Home to the Mona Lisa, this place is a treasure trove of art and history. You might need more than a day to see it all, but it's worth every second. Now, if you're a fan of stunning architecture, Notre Dame Cathedral is a must-see. The Gothic vibes, the gargoyles, the stained glass windows, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. Hungry? Head to Le Marais. This trendy neighborhood is packed with cafes, boutiques, and some of the best falafel you'll ever taste. Plus, it's perfect for a leisurely stroll. Last but not least, take a relaxing boat cruise on the Seine River. It's a fantastic way to see Paris from a different angle, especially beautiful at night when the city lights up. So there you have it. 5 iconic spots in Paris that you absolutely cannot miss. Ready to pack your bags? Paris is calling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Au revoir.